After testing countless power banks, we decided we had enough. So we set out to design a power bank that doesn't suck. Tau is a patented ultra-compact power bank, the size of a key fob. You can easily snap it on your keys, so it's always with you when you need it. Integrated connectors make Tau universally compatible, charging USB-C and both Apple and micro USB devices, thanks to our dual connector. With Tau, you can charge virtually every portable device. Thanks to a unique dock, you can be sure that Tau will always have juice when you need it. You can stick it on a wall or on your desk, so when you get back home, all you have to do is set down your keys, and Tau will start charging. You will always have a fully charged power bank with you, without even having to think about it. Let me give you an example. This is Bob. He has a standard power bank. This is Phil. He has a Tau. This is Bob getting home and hanging his keys. This is Phil getting home and hanging his keys while charging his Tau. Bob has to look for a power bank in his backpack since it's too bulky to be carried in his pocket. Phil is making tea. Bob has found his power bank and now has to look for the right cable to charge it. Phil is scrolling on Instagram. Bob finally charges his power bank. Phil just got a message from Jessica. He takes his keys and goes out. Bob is taking his dog out for a walk. Bob's phone is almost dead, so he takes out the power bank from his backpack and is looking for the right cable to charge his phone. Phil charges his phone with Tau. Why be like Bob when you can be like Phil? Tau is already manufacturing, so you won't have to wait for ages to receive it. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past 5 years, we have successfully delivered 5 campaigns to hundreds of thousands of backers. Back us today and get Tau at the lowest price it will ever be.